Alright, quick little video, right? Right now I just went to my side job, the crank no start. So I go over there and I do my, how I always start, right? Check this for the spark. So, well, first I check out the relay. The relay was good. The battery was good. The starter, I jump started, right? It was a little wired to the starter relay. It was good. Like I was saying, it was cranking. And then so I'm over here checking the spark plugs. The spark plugs, they are covered and like they really bad, and they cover like in oil or gas, right? and what's it called? Something in me tells me, John, look at the dipstick. Check the dipstick. So I check the dipstick, and I'm over here like, am I tripping out? Right? Like, so I wipe it off and I check it again, and you know how there's two lines, right? The second one is like, okay, it's full, you're good. And that thing was way over the freaking second line, like way overboard. That thing was halfway, homie. I'm over here like, miss, quick question. Did you put like oil in your car? Like, what happened like when it stopped working? She's like, oh yeah, we put like 4 quarts of oil. I'm like 4? I'm like, why? She's like, oh, it's because we were gonna go to Vegas. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, okay, cool. You know, I'm like, oh shit. I haven't confront a confrontation like that where like something happened. I'm like, oh, what? You know, like, how can I fix this, right? I'm like, oh, so what I did, I drained a little bit of oil out. Actually, a lot of oil I drained out. You get me? Because I'm pretty sure that thing, the head, that was called the head cover gasket, it's gasket. It leaks into the spark plugs, which was called mess up the spark plugs, right? So I'm gonna do my little research. I don't know if it's out of time or hopefully it's a starter. So right now what I did, I took out the starter and the alternator and the battery, and I told them go check it out, the AutoZone or oil rallies, see what they told you. If they pass, then you're good, right? It's not gonna be that. If one of them fails, then just replace that, just buy that, and tomorrow I come back at 7:30, I replace them, I put back everything together. I didn't charge them anything, just because I feel like a failure right now. You get me? I'm like, dang. But it's cool though, it's cool. No me agüito. I'm like, damn, that was crazy. I'm like, that's a lot of oil.